Many of you have probably been on a digital transformation journey, right? This CIO's company is doing digital business at scale, but they don't have a data strategy. He was very blunt. I generate a terabyte of data a day, but I don't have anything to do with it. So every month I just throw it away. I delete it. There's no one studying this data, trying to turn it into significant value. They don't have a data strategy. They have a data policy. They control the cost and risk of storing data, right? So they're generating data, but they haven't invested in how we turn this data into value. So square one or square zero, what does it take to start to turn that data into significant value? So we talked to CIOs, our customers, experts, and we came up with a list based on what we heard. First, you need a data strategy. And again, a data strategy is going to be premised on challenging yourself to think, how can we make real significant changes to the value proposition we offer customers? It's not just about incremental improvements, for example. Second, you need a chief data officer. It doesn't have to be someone with the title CDO. It could be your CIO, but it needs to be a senior executive who makes sure you're not just advancing the strategy and asking hard questions, but all the things you need to do orchestrating other parts of the business also fall in line to support it. You need to be using or learning to use AI and ML to deliver these enhanced value propositions to your customers. You can be on a journey, and we'll show you some data about how some companies are using AI in production at scale. But it's okay if you're not there yet, but you need to at least be investing in increasing those skills. And you need to be starting to deploy AI ops to optimize your infrastructure and reduce toil so people can focus on creating value rather than maintenance and operations. And finally, table stakes. You need to have data portability and data scalability. Again, if you're trying to fundamentally change the value prop you offer to your customers, you have to be able to operate at scale. You have to have many teams and people across your company or across your partner ecosystem have access to the data. Technology, strategy. This, again, is a flywheel. As you're able to deploy cloud-native applications faster, to scale them on demand, you're more able to have your teams, your chief data officer, your strategist, thinking about how we could deploy AI and ML to be focused on creating value rather than maintenance and optimization because you're using AI ops. And you're able to have more people and teams working on it because your data is portable and scalable. So this is a virtuous cycle of being able to deliver great experiences at speed, use data and insight to make them better, rinse and repeat. Just like T-Mobile CIO Cody Sanford said, my job is to be able to deliver great experiences at speed.